Hello children, in this section we are going to discuss about the concept of division. This is exercise 3C in your content book. Now let us discuss the first question. So here my first question is 12,686 divided by 51. So when I write this in division form, this becomes like this: 12,686 divided by 51. This already you have learned in your lower class. So 12,686 can be called as dividend. We name this as dividend. And 51 can be called as divisor. Okay. Then here I have already written the answer. So the answer of division can be called as quotient. How to get into this answer, I will tell one by one, I will tell the steps. So here, when we do the divisions, or when you learn divisions up to 4th standard, you had numbers up to 20. So you are well clear about the tables, at least up to 10, some people more than or up to 20. So here my number or my divisor is bigger than 20. So I need to know the table of 51. So to make your division easy, I have written the table of 51 in the corner. So when you do the problem, whatever is your divisor, please copy or please write the table of your divisor in the corner. So 51, 102, 153. How to get this? Multiply 51 by 1, then 51 by 2, 51 by 3, or either you can add 51 to each number. 51 plus 51 I get 102. Then 102 plus 51, 153. 153 plus 51, 204, etc. etc. until till 51 into 10 you have to find. Till that you have to find the table and keep it ready. That will make your division easy. So here I am going to divide 51 by 12,686. So as usual our method, we will first check the digits. So here 12 is not, 12 we cannot divide by 51 because 12 is smaller than 51. So we take 126, right? We can consider 126. So 126 is bigger than 51. Now check in the table of 51 whether we have 126. So here in the table of 51 we don't have 126. So check a number which is less than 126. That is 102. So 102 how many times in 51's table? 2 times. So write 2 in the quotient. So here I have written 2. Okay. And write what is 51 into 2? 102. So that I have written. Now what is my next step? Subtract. So I have subtracted. When I subtract 6 minus 2, it is 4. 2 minus 0, 2. So I have 24. Okay. So first I get 24. Now 24 is smaller than 51. So what will I do? I will bring down 8. So here it is 8. Now this number becomes 248. 248 is bigger than 51. Now check in the table of 51 whether you have 248. No. What do we have? We have 204, which is smaller than 248. So write 4 in the quotient. And what is 4 into 51 we get? 204. Write it over here. And subtract. So 8 minus 4. What is 8 minus 4? 4. Right? And 4 minus 0, again 4. So now here my number is 44. Again 44 can you divide by 51? No. 44 is smaller than 51. So I have to bring down one digit from the dividend. That is 6. So bring down 6. So that becomes 446. Now 446 do we have in the table of 51? No. It is 408, which is smaller than 446 in the table of 51. So take 408. So when you take 408, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times. So write 8 in the quotient. 8 into 51, it is 408. Write it over here. Now subtract. So 6 minus 8 is not possible. So I have carried over and it is 16. And 4 become 3. Sorry, not carried over. I have regrouped. So 6 becomes 16 and 4 become 3. So 16 minus 8 is 8. 3 minus, here it is again only 3. So 3 minus 0 is 3. And 4 minus 4, 0. Leave it. So this is, that's all. Again 38. 38 can you divide by 51? No. 38 is smaller than 51 and we don't have anything to bring down from the dividend also. So here you can stop your division. So my quotient is 248. That is the answer of division, and what is left at the last of division, that is 38, is called as a remainder. So I hope you all understood this process. Now how to check the division. So to check your answer of division, whether it's correct or wrong, the first method is you have to multiply the quotient by the divisor. So to check, you have to multiply Q. Q I can say as quotient into divisor D. Here D stands for divisor, not dividend. Okay. Plus whatever is your remainder. My remainder is R. Okay. That should be equal to the dividend D. Here this D is dividend. Okay. Quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. So here I have done the checking process. So here what is my quotient? 248. 248 I have multiplied by 51, my divisor. I got, you do your usual multiplication steps, and I got the answer as 12,648. This 12,648 you have to add your remainder. So this is after multiplication I got. I have added my remainder 38 to that and I got 12,686, and that is my dividend. So here you can write at the last, checking is equal to 248 into 51 plus 38 is equal to 12,686. This statement should be written after you solve this, because if your answer is correct only you will get it. Directly don't write this. First check and find whether you got the correct answer and write the statement like this. So now pause the video for a few seconds or how long you all want and copy down this exactly into your classwork. So here is second example for you. As I said, I have written everything. So here I have to write the table of 22 till 10 I have written. Now my first 184 I have to take, because 18 if I take, it is smaller than 22. So I have taken 184. 184 I don't have it in my 22's table. So which one I can take? 176, which is smaller than 184. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times. So I have written 8 and 8 into 22, 176. So here I have written 176. Now what I have to do? I have to subtract. So 4 minus 6 is not possible. So regrouping, 8 becomes 7 and 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 6 is 8 and 7 minus 7 is 0. So leave it. So here it is 8 after subtraction. So 8 I cannot divide, 8 can be divided by 22. So I bring 6 down. So this becomes 86. 86 is not there in 22's table. So I can take 66, which is smaller than 86. So 66 divided by, 66 is written over here, and how many times? 3 times. So I have written here 3. 3 into 22, 66. Now as usual, subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0. 8 minus 6 is 2. So this is 20. 20 is smaller than 22. So I need to bring down one more digit from the dividend. So I bring down, it becomes 208. So 208 is not there in 22's table. I can take 198, right? Yes. How many times? 9 times. So write 9 in the quotient. 9 into 22, 198. Write it over here. Now when you subtract, 8 minus 8 is 0. And 2, I have to regroup, and 0 becomes 10. And 10 minus 9 is 1. 10. 10 is my remainder. As I said, you have to check. For checking, I got my quotient as 839. 839 into 22. So when I carry over my normal multiplication method, I get the answer 18,458. Now to this, I need to add my remainder. What's my remainder? 10. So when I add 10 to this number, I get 18,468, and that is exactly my dividend. So my answer of division is correct. That is my quotient, what I received is correct. So here you can write it as 839 into 28 plus 10 is equal to 18,468. So this also you have to copy down into your classwork. Pause the video and copy down the problems exactly what I have written into your classwork. These are your homework questions. I have given 5 questions to divide. Exactly how I have solved and showed you the 2 problems. Solve it exactly like that and complete this homework in your classwork. You also have to check your answer of division. Complete. We'll meet you all in the next section. Thank you, children.